Welcome to the Take Action option of the I Belong Here project. With this project, teachers can empower their students to explore their future as bilingual Quebecers. When thinking back to when they were in school, many adults who became engaged French learners speak about teachers who shared their passion for the language through hands-on experiences in meaningful ways. They remember being engaged while learning and it being a rewarding experience for them and for their teachers. They remember how these teachers made them feel while they were learning. The Take Action option is an opportunity for teachers to help develop students' long-term interest in learning and speaking French, while also making community connections. So, what kind of activities could students participate in that are motivating and meaningful to develop their French language skills? They could write a story or a play for younger students. They could serve tea and share stories with seniors. They could participate in a community cleanup or other environmental initiatives. They can also organize a multi-sports activity for families. What would work in your community with your students and who could help you to make it happen? The Take Action option of the I Belong Here project is an opportunity to engage students in project-based learning that will encourage them to authentically use their French language skills and give them confidence in their ability to speak French and to address a need in their community.
It's a project that everyone should do because it's come from the kids, so they've kind of been the ones to have the idea and then we just run with it.
Meaningful learning happens when kids are proactive, their hands are getting dirty, and they're seeing the results from beginning to end.
Take Action projects benefit both students and communities. Students acquire practical skills, develop empathy, and enhance their understanding of diverse perspectives. At the same time, communities receive valuable assistance and support from students, creating a collaborative relationship that strengthens the bonds between education and community. This approach not only enriches the educational experience, but also instills a sense of social responsibility, preparing students to be active and engaged citizens in the broader world.
Je suis nerveuse quand je parle français et j'ai beaucoup d'erreurs des fois.
I'm also nervous when I speak English.
A lot of things that I do right now are because I'm bilingual.
Through the Take Action option, students can immerse themselves in authentic language use, honing their language skills in real-life contexts. This way, they can foster bilingualism, but also cultivate cultural awareness and sensitivity.
It's important for them to show their artistic side. Maybe it's a drama piece, or maybe it's a photography piece, or a painting. Just love bringing that into the classroom, and then for them to be able to show off what they've accomplished.
It's really cool to see, and like not only do they shine, but like all those other skills that they're developing, just how to cooperate, how to have a discussion, how to disagree with somebody appropriately. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like these are skills that we need so much in our society.
I truly love these type of activities, projects, and I want to continue to incorporate them in my lessons.
It encourages students to appreciate the linguistic diversity within their community and to recognize the importance of effective communication across language barriers.